to be on camera? What do you think, buddy?
If you guys are new to the channel and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, ring my bell, get my notifications. Throw me a thumbs up and leave a question or comment below so that way I know who you are. Oh, we're out here feeding cows this morning, checking on everybody. No new kids last night. Things are starting to thaw out here pretty good. We're going to be doing some serious cleanup. Got a little bit of a dusty bale here today. We'll give them a good one as well this afternoon, this evening. I only got a couple of them left. Gotta get them fed out here in rotation. We got a lot to clean up when this thaws out. Kind of pan around here a little bit. We got that hill over there. Obviously this one we're standing on. That mountain out there. That one there. And we got all this small stuff that's gonna have to get migrated into this pile over here. That one. Not fancy for you there. Get my damn glove on. Carrie the calf. Come here, Carrie. Come here, Carrie. You know me. Come here, Carrie. You got your tail out like you want to run, play, take off. Come here, Carrie. Old Miss Boots. You know what she wants. There you go. I got the cows their damn apocalypse treats because God forbid they run out of them like toilet paper. Cows would kill me. Well, I got my treats for the cattle. Ran a few errands this morning. Confirmed that people are in fact stupid. Came back home, locked my gate. Got myself a beer. Walking around out here this afternoon. I think it's time to wrestle the chains back off the skidder and go out and do a little bit more thinning out in the pasture and get stocked up on firewood again. So I thought that pile of wood that I had here before is going to be enough to last me the whole winter. Well, you can see that's not true. I think that snowbank in the background may look a little deceiving, but either way, we're going to need some more. So that means this afternoon I get to go play on the skidder. Still got toilet paper in the bathroom, so that's good. I stocked up on beer today. I can go without toilet paper, but god damn it, if I gotta watch these idiots on the panic buying and overreacting, I'm gonna need me some beer. So I'm well stocked now, boys. Bring it on. We need some quarantine. I need some quarantine time to get caught up on stuff. That'd be good, huh? So we got 8 calves. We got the one that didn't make it, so we got 7 total on the ground right now. And everybody's happy, fat and happy. Snow's going fast. Oh boy, snow's going fast. Hopefully, and I'm hoping the end of April we'll be on pasture. It's not really realistic, but I'm hoping. Because that's about how long I got hay for, so we're probably going to end up buying some. Not the end of the world. We'll make her. I'll probably be able to trade toilet paper for hay bales at that point. Be alright. We'll be alright. So, I certainly hope everyone's having a great weekend. Don't overreact, guys. I hate the fact that I even have to react to the fact that people are overreacting. It's just dumb. Cooler heads always prevail. And right now, there is not too many cool heads out there. Government and media included. It's going to be interesting. Stick around. I'll make videos either way. I'm going to go play on a skidder for a while. Stick around for that video. We'll see you guys again soon. Keep your toilet paper rolled and your beer cold.